Hello, today I'll show you how to change shadow settings in Myth of Empires. To change the shadow settings, simply, go into settings, and in the settings you'll be automatically put into the graphics section. In the graphics section, simply scroll down and look for the shadow section. Here it is. As you can see, there are many options to customize your shadows in your game, and you can simply start from the top, and I'll explain everything. You can change illumination function quality from 1 to 0 to determine whether to enable it or not. You can change the shadow quality between 0 and 5. You can choose how the shadow quality will cascade, as in change between the values. You can choose cascade shadow max resolution from 512 and 2048. Of course, you can choose shadow radius threshold, shadow distance scaling, cascade shadow transition scale, and pre-shadow resolution factor. I'm sorry, this is quite a difficult word. Of course, distance field shadow, distance field environment occlusion quality, volumetric fog effect, which can be used to increase your performance or make your game look nicer. Light max draw distance scale, of course. Turning that down and you'll experience a noticeable change in your performance. Capsule shadow, prospect shadow distance, distance scaling, and there are many more options that I don't have a breath to talk about. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. When you are happy with everything that you customize right here, simply tap confirm. Now, once again, thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe to support us.